Another great module that you get when you install Mhmm is our Hamburger module. This module is always wanted to have this in Divi and be able to kind of position it where I'd like. But if we look at the Hamburger menu here, first we can pick which menu do we want this to trigger. And then you can decide whether you want it full screen, slide in left, or slide in right. I'll show you. This one's obviously full screen here. And then demo 3, I believe, is a slide in option. You can have text by your Hamburger module. You can put that here. There's several animations for the icon that you can pick from, and then you can style it, of course. Pick rounded or square edges for your icon. Positioning, vertically center, and then you can pick a menu background for when you open up the menu back here. So this example, I have this bike image with a gradient over it, and that's just using your typical Divi background. And then you also got to decide background color for your menu, the spacing, how much spacing these get, background options for them, both your main menu and then your sub menu can be smaller if you like, which I believe on demo 9 that's the case, where the sub menu text is smaller than the main text. So yeah, the Hamburger module is definitely great. Here we got 2 call to action buttons right next to it. One more example of this module is in, I believe, demo 4. So we have 1 call to action next to a slide in menu. You also control this overlay color over here. That's an option inside here at the in the Hamburger, the background, menu background, and then there's also an overlay setting that you can choose. If you're using one of the slide-ins. So once I choose slide-in, I get a background overlay option that will control this over here. So definitely load it up, take it for a spin, see what you think. We also have 2 modes. We have a panels mode and a collapse mode. Panels mode, your demos are going to slide over, versus the collapse mode, where it's going to be a button that going to be your typical icon to click to open up the submenu. And you'll have some options to style that as well. Like if I pick collapse there, submenu styles, my submenu icon color, and stuff like that. So definitely check this module out, take it for a spin, see how we use it in the demos. If you want, you can load the demo to your site and play around, or just take it for a spin yourself. And but yes, I've always hoped Divi would have a Hamburger module available to us. So it's so cool that we finally have one. I enjoy.